Hey guys, welcome back to another live stream. This technically isn't a live stream because I'm not streaming anywhere, but it's gonna be a part of our streaming uh, playlist or streaming, whatever you want to call it. And it's the last video of the year of 2019. So I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. I'm just gonna try to see if I can set things up for Jira, maybe make some tags, maybe start transitioning some bugs, or not bugs, but tasks from Trello into Jira and things like that. So it's going to be pretty straightforward. So let's get both our Trello open. Where's the other Trello? Here we go. That'll go on that screen, and this was our screen. So let's see. I gotta remember the address. Should be written in here, right? Perforce SQL. Okay. Did I had to have written it down somewhere? Did I already mess this up? So that's that. That's what's that? Perforce, Discord, GitHub, Slack integration hook, Jira customization. I have to had put it somewhere because I know I didn't just. Because I'm pretty sure I copied it. Yeah, here we go. Let me see if this one works. No. Okay. This one definitely should. Let's see. Logging in. Okay. Cool. Coalition check failed. So, I don't know what any of those are, but I don't care right now. Let's see. Projects, hero, project. Okay, so what do I want to do? Boards, backlog, active sprints, reports, issues. What's backlog? So I have a create option. What do I get? Type, issue type. Okay. Can I create? How do I customize issue types? Manage filters, maybe? No. Issues. So. Let's see. Issues here. Okay. So story. We don't want that. Yeah. So bug, yes. Epic created by. No, we don't need that. I'm gonna delete it anyway. So we got bug, task, I guess, and subtask. I think that's all we need. Issue type schemes. No. Subtask. That's fine. Workflows to delete. Okay, so this is our workflow. I think that's fine. Workflow schemes. I think that's fine. Screens. A screen is an arrangement of fields that are displayed when the issue is created, edited, or transitioned through workflow. I think that's okay. Priorities. Highest. Yeah, that all makes sense. Can I get a darker red on this one? Yeah. We'll change this one to green-ish. Yeah, that all makes sense. Statuses. Open, in progress, reopen, resolve, closed, to do, and done. Okay, I think that's okay. Resolutions. Done. Won't do. Duplicate. Cannot reproduce. Okay, we'll do one called review. Please review the solutions provided for this task or bug. Okay, I think that's good. Issue security. I don't know if that's a thing. Notification schemes. That's fine. Permission schemes. I think that's good. Projects. Project category. Don't need that. Application. Maintenance. I don't need any of this information. Application access. A user must belong to a group assigned to an application to be able to log in and access that application when you create a user. Okay. That's fine, I think. Perforce? To enable Perforce job integration, you must first configure Jira to connect to your fisheye and or Crucible instance. I think that's what I want to have set up here. Set up fisheye. The Jira Fisheye plugin allows you to integrate Jira projects with Fisheye repositories and or Crucible projects. Fisheye is a source repository browsing that allows you to monitor, search, and analyze changes in your code base. Crucible, there are currently no applications in the Fisheye. Okay, what's Fisheye? Search, track, and visualize code changes. Can I just create an application link with like the Perforce servers that I have? Because I don't have either Fisheye or Crucible. What's new for application links? Built-in diagnostics. Okay, got it. Let's see what this says. Not gonna worry about that, I guess. Let's see. Jira and Perforce. Let's just see what. Strong Jira integrations from Perforce. Development team. Ow. That was really loud. No, I don't want any help. Development teams everywhere use Jira. That's why Perforce offers strong integration to Jira. By integrating Perforce to Jira, you'll get visibility across the development. You won't have to constantly jump between applications, and your team will be able to collaborate more effectively. When you integrate Perforce products in Jira, you'll be able to sync issues automatically. That means your entire team will have status updates when and where they need them. Important metadata such as source code commits, build results, or schedule changes will be updated across both products in real time. Okay. I have something like this, right? Hands off. Let me just get this out. I have hands off client. port am I on? Wait, 166? No. Do I have anything? What's the thing called? Helix? There's a handsoft. Helix. No, I don't have anything like that. Yeah, is a static code and as tool. Developers use Nux Pilot. Let's see. Helix Team Hub is a code hosting platform that scales Git for team. Helix Swarm is the code review and collaboration tool. Helix Core is a version control. Yeah, I have Helix Core. Okay, so I think I want to do this. What does it say as what this is? It just says P4V. So when you create a work item, Jira will automatically populate as a job. Let's just see if I can do anything. Okay. My personal workspace. How the Jira integration. So when you create work, how do I do it though? Do I have to do Explore Helix Core? Does it not tell me how to do it? Okay, let's see. All right, sync Jira issues and tasks with Helix Core. Blah blah blah. Yes, I want to learn more. Brought me right back here. But how do I do it? Anything here? Tell me anything. Actions, connection, tools. Okay. Helix Core Jira integration. Let me just look this up again. Does tell me anything? Create a per first job when creating a Jira issue. Does document. What is this exactly? Connect P4V to Jira. Let's just see what that comes up with. Jira Perforce. What's this? Swarms, Jira integration allows code reviews and commit changes to be associated with Jira issues, make it easy to reference associated issues. Yes. Prerequisites. Okay. For Jira integration and job links in Jira, the Perforce detect must be configured for Swarm Jira. So installing. Okay, how do I enable the Jira module? Enabling the Jira module. When enabled, the Jira module links Jira issues referenced in change descriptions, job descriptions, comments, and reviews to your local Jira service. By default, the Jira module is not enabled. Okay. To enable the Jira module, add the following configuration block to your Swarm. Okay. Swarm root refers to the directory where Swarm lives in the file system, depending on how you installed Swarm for a package. Okay. Swarm? Do I have anything for Swarm? Okay, Perforce. What's this? Open file location. Oh. That's not useful. Program files. Perforce. Is that its own thing? Perforce. Helix core? No. Server? No. Proxy? No. It's not broker, right? Resources? No. Plugins? No. What am I looking for again? Config PHP file. Let's just see if one exists. I don't know if it does. All this stuff is always so complicated, and I'm never really sure what to do. Do I have Helix Swarm? Maybe I don't even have it. That's cool, I guess. Helix Swarm. Download now. Family, platform dependent. OS dependent? Not sure if I did the right one, but I got OVA. So Swarm, OVA, okay. Wow, 852 megabytes. Okay, now I have it downloaded. Well, almost. Okay. I don't know what to do with the .ova file. Well, it's definitely not Linux. Platform dependent, multi-architectural, and that's a TGZ. I don't know. Let's try TGZ. We'll have both, right? Yes, fine. Now what happens here? Okay. Don't care. Swarm. Data? What is this readme crap? Okay, cancel. No. Extract files. It's fine. No. Let's see. Okay. Now, I remember this thing saying, where is it? So there should be swarm and then data. But there's just a readme data right there. There's readme. Okay, there's a link to installation. So let's look at that. Documentation, I guess. Helix Swarm. How to install and configure. Okay. Yeah, okay. What's new? Okay, install and upgrade Swarm. Do not prefix group name. Client names, put Swarm. This is okay. Uh, what the hell? This is so confusing. Um, Review the rented dependency before you install Storm. Expand the Swarm package from the command line. Okay, let's just try that. Okay, let's try without the dollar sign, because I don't know what the dollar sign typically means. So fail to open. Okay. Let's do it from here. Try that again. Tar. Okay, didn't open. Let's see. So it's right there. So it's on my desktop. So let's go to desktop, PC, desktop, CMD. What do I need to do? Does Control C, Control V work? Yeah. Okay. So it just did what I did. The contents are expanded into a top-level form called Swarm version, where response. So yes, right there. Move the contents of the Swarm package to the correct location. Identify a location for the Swarm. This should correspond to a location associated to the virtual host. Configure under Apache. Um, this is too confusing. Okay, let's forget about this for now. Where are we? Okay. We'll come back to that. So there's perf force. To enable purpose, you must first. So I definitely okay. So I need to set this. I'll do that another time, I guess, because I don't know what the fisheye stuff is really. So we'll just figure it out later. What else is there? Project, so applications, okay, manage apps. Is there anything there for us to do? Let's see. Okay. Let your team discuss exactly just inside the Microsoft Teams. Okay, so there's a bunch of free ones. Let's see, all free. Let's see what ones are free. Envision, bring your design development workflows together. Paste the link to your Envision Pro Power Admin. What's happening? That's fine. Oh my god. Let's see. Omnitsa? What is that? Enables a C-rich asset. Is there any interesting ones? I guess we can research. Good plugins for Jira, I suppose. Good Jira apps. 9 best apps for Jira. Let's see. So Big Gantt lets you create charts from scratch or import numerous projects. Okay. Lucid chart diagrams connection with Jira. Slack Jira integration. This is what I want. Slack. No? Okay. Let's see. Buy Atlassian. Jira Calendar plugin. The Jira Calendar plugin shows issues and version. Yes, let's do that one. An unexpected error occur for... What? Okay. Crap. There's the Trello connection. Okay. Can I install that one? No? Okay. Cool. um, Buy Atlassian. Most popular? What am I looking for again? Slack. So there's Git, Big Gant, checklist, integrity check, Jira workflow toolbox. Outlook email. Epic sum up. Slack Jira integration by Bitband. All categories. Top vendor. Does that come up with anything? No. Bitband? No. How do I have it here? Jira Slack plugin. How do I find it? Please. Search results. Buy Atlassian, right? But it's not here. Highest rated. Does anyone have it for Slack? How could... Okay, try it for free. Log in to see which sites you can install this app. Okay, log in. Continue. Is that it? No. This website sucks. Can I log in? No. Okay, great. Like, what? Like, where is this? Here it is. Slack integration for Jira. Thank you. Install. I install it, yes. But it's probably gonna give me an unexpected error occurred. Okay. Jira app installation. Unexpected error. Check logs. Let's see. Team calendar plugin for constant installs with the following error. Confluence Jira official also. So the login question lives in the Confluence home directory found on the admin system info screen. Okay. Okay. So I have to increase max allowed packet size. Okay. Um, Microsoft. Spell that right. Microsoft SQL max allowed packet size. Let's see. To fix this, you'll have to modify the max size and make it bigger from the query editor, from the command line. That doesn't really tell me anything. Properties. Um, I'll put this over here. Memory. Minimum server memory, maximum server memory. That's fine. Database settings. No. Advanced. Um, Network packet size. No, that doesn't really help. How to file? Okay, that didn't. Let's see. Anything else? We might ask your client, whatever. Okay, both the client and the server have their own maximum variable, so if you want to handle big packets, you must increase this variable both in the client and in the server. If you're using the MySQL client program, its default maximum is 16. Set large. So, do I just literally have to open up CMD, MySQL, max allowed packet equals, let's say, 100M? Yeah, it's not anything. This is my database. Start PowerShell. Is that what I wanted? Yeah. Okay. So I have PowerShell open. So let's try max allowed packet. We'll say 100. Is this what I need to do? The term max is not recognized as the name of a command function. Okay. Let's try again. MySQL dash max allowed packet equals, we'll see, again, 100M. No. Nothing really is helping me. Okay, there's a video. Okay. Open my query browser. So how do I open my SQL query browser? Here I am going to use phpMyAdmin. Okay. I remember seeing something like this. New query? Maybe? Yeah. Okay. Sorry, this is on the others. Alright, I'll move the video over to the other screen and you'll see what I'm doing. On this screen, come on. Thank you. Let's see. Execute following command for checking. Okay, so there's a show variables like max allowed packet. Let's see. Execute. Incorrect syntax near the word like. What? Okay. Do I just have to use the same thing? Like max allowed packet like this? Just change it to like 100 M? Oh crap, what did I just press? Oh. Okay, so that's not a thing. Uh, hmm. Okay, there's set global max allowed packet equal. Okay, the guy on the video is saying 33554432. Execute. Okay. This is annoying. Let's see. Is there anything else? No, I want that one again. What program is this? Okay, SQL Server Management Studio. SQL Server Management Studio. Increase allowed packet size. Packet size. Okay, to configure the network package size, right click a server. So was I right before? So properties, advanced, packet size. So packet size in bytes. Recommended package size in bytes. Let's just see if there is any. Maximum 15. Okay, let's see. Um, I don't know. Like, what should I set it to? Bytes to megabytes. What's the conversion? No, Google bytes to mega. I think it's 1,000, right? Oh, that's a lot. Okay. Uh. Let's see. Microsoft SQL recommended network packet size. 4K. The default never person is for. There are recommend. Okay, let's just see what this says. Okay, let's just set it to that. Okay, properties, advanced. Okay, so it's still that size. Okay, so we changed that. Let's see if this changes anything. Okay, I gotta log in again. Okay, cool, incorrect. Okay, blah, blah, blah. That doesn't help. Where did it go? Slack integration. Okay, so there's a manage. You can install. Okay. Let's configure this. Let's see. Add our bot to your Slack team. Okay. Add to Slack. No. No. Let's go back. Okay, here's Slack. Can I add stuff here? Add this app to a channel. Okay, or apps. Jira. Jira integration. Add. Add to Slack. Add to Slack. Okay, yes. What is your Jira URL? Is it this one? Company dot let's see. My IP. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, that's what I wanted. So dash or okay, okay. We were unable to connect to your Jira instance. Usually this is a firewall. Don't worry, this is okay. Open your firewall on port. Okay. Advanced firewall. Yeah. Let's see. Open. Is it an outbound rule? All right, let's do both. New rule. Port. It's fine. Specific port 443. Allow the connection. Next. Name. I don't know, Slack, Jira integration. And then outbound rules, new rule, port, next, specific port 443. Allow the connection, next, name Slack, Jira integration. Okay. Let's see, properties. Okay. Connect. No. If we can't, okay. Is this the right Jira instance? Okay, let's try the Q&A page. Okay, there's a video. Maybe, okay. Okay. What is he putting in? So, okay. There's also this. Your Jira link is the website you visit to access Jira. We need to test if we can. So go to your email account. Okay. I will do that. Search for Jira. Click a link in the email. So Jira. This doesn't really help. Click a link in the email and find you. Like, I feel like this should be it, right? Like, is it not this? No. If Jira is not publicly available, add whitelist. Firewall. Let me just see. Again, what do we have? New rule. Custom. Okay, no. Let's just see. How to add whitelist IP. On Windows Firewall, maybe is a better question. Let's see. Okay, go to start. I'm gonna show. Yeah. Okay. So inbound rules. So inbound rules. In the middle, click on MS SQL Server. Um, I don't see that one. So here's Microsoft, but nothing for MySQL. This is the Slack Jira thing that I wrote. SQL port, I think I made that one. Microsoft Office, Jira software, Jenkins. What is this one? Properties again. Let me just see. Allow this connection. Ports, yeah. Mm-hmm. Is there any like way to search? No. Like this is the SQL port. This is completely different, right? Properties. Same stuff, right? Yeah. Um. Hmm. So port 1433. Ba 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 ba. Let's see. Networking stuff, remote desktop, remote service, inbound rule. Like, here's the SQL. What do you want to do? Properties, scope. At the bottom under remote IP access, so any IP address, right? This is not cool. Open your firewall on port. Okay, maybe I have to do it on my router. Hold on, I gotta find the IP address. Okay, this is fun. 192.168. Yeah. Okay. Ugh. Let's see. Password. Oh yeah, I should not do that on that screen. Okay. Open your firewall port. Okay. Is it advanced settings? Or is it modem? No, not modem. Advanced settings, security, port forwarding, I guess, right? Create a new rule. Both on local star point. So what is it? 443. Add rule. Is it 122? Or do I have to do? IP config. Yeah, 122. Okay, add rule. Okay, let me just ignore and continue. What's this rule look like? Um, both on. Endport must be greater than, so there's no end. This is so confusing. Open your firewall. So firewall, ignore and continue. Firewall protection. IP. Create a new rule here. Add rule. Port forwarding. Now it's letting me add the rule? Okay, fine. So that's done on the router. Does this change anything here? My IP. Okay. Connect. No. You're not able to use this user. This is a firewall proxy issue. This doesn't have Microsoft SQL in it, right? Or MySQL? No. Oof. This is difficult. Just copy that. And that's that. It's this. No. This is the QA page, right? Add white what jargon one. Whitelisting. Does this give me any information? Can you see me? 443. Oh? That's probably why. Um, Firewall. Inbound. Properties. It's enabled. Allow the connection. Programs and services. Remote computer. Protocols and ports. 443. All ports. Apply. Let's try that again. 4-3. No. They can see me on everything else, right? 1433. Yeah. 1666. Yeah. 8081. Yeah. Just not 443. Do I have to like fix? All right, I'll take out those rules I just made on my router. And settings, security, firewall. No. IP. Delete. Apply changes. Okay. This takes a minute, I guess. Okay, and then port forwarding. Delete. Let's try that again. I don't know how long it takes to refresh. Can you see me.org? Can you see me on port 80? No. Why? I don't know. So 1666. Yes. 8081. Yes. 1433. Yes. And now they're saying port 443. Still no. Inbound rule. Let me properties port 443. Remote computer ports 443. Any maybe? Apply? I don't know what that means. Did I just like fuck myself up? No. Properties. Ports, specific ports, 443. Remote port, 443. Let's just see also these other rules. Ports. Still nothing. Ow. Am I able on 143? No. uh 443. Check port. Crap. I'm pretty sure I have to do it like in that settings as well. So I'm gonna do port forwarding again. Advanced settings, security, port forwarding, new rule, 122. So static port 443, 443. It's 443, right? 443, 443. Protocol, both enabled on add rule. And apply changes. Okay. Check port. No. Does it take like a minute? Don't worry about whitelisting. Check port. Let me open the website again. So 1666. That works, yes. 0801. Check port. That works. 1433. That works. 443. Still no. Mm. Outbound rule. Rename this one again. I don't want help, no. Properties, protocols and ports. So specific ports, 443. This is all ports. Apply, scope, advanced, general, port 443. Apply, okay. Now this should be here. Port 443. Properties. That seems to be correct. Inbound, let's check this again because I know I made some different settings for it. Properties, ports, all ports, check port. Ah! This sucks. Four, 443. It should work. Right? IP config. One word. Yeah. That's right. I don't know why this isn't working. How do I make a new rule? 192.168.0.122. And then, what's the IP address? Okay. Custom. This doesn't seem right. Cancel. Can you see me? 44443. Still doesn't work. Oh, I don't like networking. If you haven't, if you can't tell. Port 443 not opening. Is that the word? Not having changes. Let's see. Da-da-da. Is anything else running right now? Malware bytes, quit. I solved that the problem was with the certificate. The server was renamed. Does this say anything? Connections, no. It's just very upsetting. I don't understand why port 443 is not opening. Because this should be right. But it's not connecting. If you prefer to self-host, what's the self-hosting? Okay. Okay, 30-day paid trial. Ah. Server manager. What is this? Properties. Advanced. So it's doing 1433. So I have to change it to 433? don't think that was a good idea. No. Server. Properties. IP addresses. No, it's 443. Does this still keep me in? Yes. Okay. No. This is upsetting. Watch me struggle with networking for an hour and a half. Okay. I'm just gonna switch this back to 1433. Okay. Okay, let me just log in again to my modem just to make sure the rule is still active. So there's firewall. IP and port forwarding, port filtering, and then there's port forwarding. 443. I'm allowing it. Yeah, I don't know. I have it on my router, and I have it on my. I have it on my my firewall on the Windows Defender. Check. Ugh. Okay, so this is harder than I thought, as usual, I suppose. Maybe doing a maybe I can. Maybe I don't know if this is the right information though. Find my Jira URL. Let's see. Open Jira software in your web browser. So it's saying the site URL. So view system dashboard. So it's everything before. So it is localhost, but it can't be localhost. Um, let's see. Jira, how to change URL from localhost. Let's see. I keep getting an error when I change the base. Usually I make a change. So proxy name. Um, yeah, right. System, yes. Base URL. Um, let's see. Jira dot. Um, let's just change that to 10 while I'm there. Jira dot hero collaborative.org. Okay. Update. And then they said, what? Usually I make a change to the, please click here. Oops. Okay, path not always in the beginning. Okay, so there's somewhere. Okay, now there's a. Let me copy this. Local program files. Atlassian, Jira. Okay, let's just go in here. Server.xml. Okay. Edit. So it's gonna give me like an. Okay, it's giving me this gross thing. Let me open with Sublime. Okay. Port, yeah. Connection timeout, blah, blah, blah. Accept count, yeah. Redirect port, rah, 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 rah. Context path. Let's see. Please look up proxy name. So proxy name. Proxy name. I see it in this picture. Proxy port. Okay, if you're um Um, that actually works perfect. I'm trying to change the URL from localhost to a user-friendly. I changed the server-based URL under Jira. I have done that. Uh, no. Uh, this change should actually be within the app server. For example, in the Tomcat. Um, in order to see, you can customize the content. So it's down here. Ah, this is so confusing. For example, in Tomcat, so context. Is there a context? So context path doc base. What? Okay. So so, so program files, Atlassian, Jira. No. Source web app. What? So there's a source. Of course, I can't open it. Okay. No. Hmm. Um, Still not useful. Change the base URL. Um, okay, let's just see if this works. So that's why I want to change it to. Maybe I don't need to include that 008 thing. Let's just try .org. That's fine. I didn't want to save it. And then execute. Okay. Ugh. This stuff is so complicated. I don't understand. Um. What? Um. Change session made within the abstract. For example, in Tomcat, the sort is modified to include an entry within the path argument of the context element. It's done in here, but I don't know where. Ugh, I don't want to mess with that right now. No. Docs. Um, this documentation doesn't really say anything either, or does it? General settings. Okay, wait, let me just see what setting it is. Base URL. The base URL of this Jira installation can only configure to respond to a single URL and this thing must match. You cannot check out configuring the base URL for more information. Okay, changing the value of the path attribute. Okay. Okay, so okay, so I changed it here, right? Let me get rid of the 80. Okay, Bilbo bagging up. Whoop! I can't be saying it out loud. Whatever. So I want just the .org update. Okay. Now, let's see, bin stop Jira. Now I should not be able to access it, right? Yes, okay. So edit the configuration file at Jira installation. Yeah, okay, so installation conf server.xml, open with Sublime Text. This is what this is. Change the value of the path attribute in the context element to reflect the context path. For example, if Jira is running at HTTP, then your path attribute should look like this. Still doesn't make any sense. If you're running behind a proxy, ensure that the proxy name matches the base. So if I'm running behind a proxy, ensure that the proxy name matches the base. For example, okay. Jira. No, bin. Start Jira. We'll change it again. Takes a second, I guess. Oh my god, my back. Okay, let me save this. Game development. I guess, does this take a while? Services. HI. There's Jenkins. No, maybe I think it's under tasks, right? Task manager. Services. And then Jenkins and Jira software. So it stopped. Start. So it's starting. Now it's running. Ugh. I broke it. No. Go to details. My IP. Okay, it's open. Just takes a long freaking time to start, I guess. Okay, so essentially I accomplished nothing. All I learned today was that this shit is complicated. So, that's good. Is this port open yet? No. And this just takes its time, huh? All I want to do is connect it to Slack. But that's complicated. Let me just make sure this is still loading correctly. We've got our dashboard, yes. I'm still logged in, right? Yes. Okay. So we accomplished nothing. So that's a good way to start the new year. Um, I guess I'll keep trying some things. I definitely want to fix the URL name. I want to give it a good URL name that makes the most sense. Um, and then go from there, I guess. I gotta figure out that port 443 still, but whatever, that's a different problem. So, thanks for watching. Sorry, nothing really got accomplished. Uh, Make sure to subscribe if you to keep watching this process unfold. Have a happy 2020 for New Year. See you on the other side. Let's get a lot of work done. Let's accomplish a lot in 2020. Make sure to check out the link in the description for the Discord server. There we have good conversations. We can ask questions, talk about game development in this project, things like that. So I will see you in the next live stream. Goodbye.